IMO Standard Marine Communication Phrases. Helicopter operations. I require a helicopter. I require a helicopter to pick up persons. I require a helicopter with doctor. I require a helicopter with life raft.
I will send a helicopter with doctor. Motor vessel Vega. I will drop medicines. Motor vessel Vega. Are you ready for the helicopter?
Yes, I am ready for the helicopter. No, I am not ready for the helicopter yet. Ready for the helicopter in 5 minutes.
Motor vessel Vega. Helicopter is on the way to you. Motor vessel Vega. What is your position?
My position is 48 degrees 55 decimal 2 minutes north, 005 degrees 15 minutes west.
Motor vessel Vega. What is your present course and speed?
My present course is 035 degrees, speed is 12 knots.
Motor vessel Vega. Make identification signals.
I am making identification signals by smoke buoy.
Motor vessel Vega. You are identified. Motor vessel Vega. What is the relative wind direction in degrees and knots?
The relative wind direction is 120 degrees and 22 knots.
Motor vessel Vega. Keep the wind on port bow. Motor vessel Vega. Keep the wind on port quarter. Motor vessel Vega. Indicate the landing area.
The landing area is on the weather deck.
Motor vessel Vega. Can I land on deck?
Yes, you can land on deck. No, you cannot land on deck yet. You can land on deck in 5 minutes.
Motor vessel Vega. I will use hoist.
I am ready to receive you.
Motor vessel Vega. I am landing. Motor vessel Vega. I am starting operation. Motor vessel Vega. Do not fix the hoist cable. Motor vessel Vega. Operation finished. Motor vessel Vega. I am taking off.